How do you think you scare the camera? Oh no. Today. All right, so today, didn't really have a whole lot to do over New Year's. I actually was sick personally, so Happy New Year. But I'm at the shop today. I had a couple little chores, I guess you could say, I needed to do. And, you know, I figured, let's make of it. Why not? I have this vehicle from my work that has a pretty mangled bumper. They asked me if I could snip the corners off because they have a hard time backing it up to a couple of these smaller docks. And so, like, this is all mangled up. And they asked, like, the bumper's depth is fine. They just want basically this to come out. I wonder, where am I at? I'm sorry, I'm looking at the camera. They want this to come out to here, and then likewise with the other side. So that's done basically. All I'm gonna do next is clean up a little bit with the wheel because I'm gonna just shoot. I was gonna find the can. I'm gonna shoot just a little bit of rust stop just to keep the welds from being oxidized in one day or one trip with this, because this is actually a route truck for us where it goes to a couple different cities and comes back. And they just get coated with salt every day. So on to the part probably everybody was waiting for, and sorry, it took me forever.
It is better. It's not the best, but
This is the place with helpful hardware. Thanks.